Yo, what's good? It's your bro Lo, and I'm bringing you guys another saucy trading video. Well, this is a back-to-back actually. So, yeah, we're gonna do a weekly outlook video. I'm not trading this month. I'm finished trading this month. I'm gonna just go ahead and enjoy my holidays, but I do want to do some analysis and see what price does according to my analysis, and still train myself with what price action does during the week. Just come and check and see what happened, just to keep myself trained. You know what I mean? But yeah, I'll be a little bit active on my Telegram if I see some setups and I want to show some trade not trade well trade ideas and you know what happened or whatever. I'm gonna go over that in my Telegram. You guys get what I'm saying. But yeah, so let's go ahead and start with this weekly outlook. Looking at DXY right now, we're inside of this weekly order block. Now, I didn't go over the charts yet. I'm going over it with you guys, so just bear with me, okay? I gotta gather my thoughts a little bit. So right now, we're inside of this weekly order block. All right, and we're inside of this daily array right now. Now, we did come into this array, and then we did have a meltdown, and then we created this up candle right here. But as you can see, we broke above this candle here and closed, which I don't like. Now right now we're inside of this area. I don't know if this will hold, okay, but I can't be like, yeah, this is definitely going to be taken out. I want to be a buyer. I really can't be a buyer right now. If I did want to buy the dollar, yeah, bro, I don't know. I really don't know, guys. Look, I'm not looking to buy, and I'm really not looking to sell right now. I need more data with DXY. Now, what we're working with right now is this bearish order block here. Okay, we're inside of here right now. Now, depending on what we do inside of here, maybe we get to the mean. If I start getting my model inside of here, then I could see a sell-off to possibly get back down to a discount array. But looking at DXY, bro, like, I really don't know what dollar is gonna do. You know what I'm saying? I just know that I do not want to buy. Do you really want to buy while price is inside of this area right here, and then you have all this build up in here, right? We already took this out here, right? Liquidity's here. We already took that out. We took it out right here, had a drop, break structure. Now we're back at a premium of this high to this low range, right? In a premium of this range from this high to this low. Okay, so I just want to sell right now. I can't really give like an accurate PD array that I do want to trade off of. If we do come back down, I want to see this get taken out. If we're gonna sell off here, I want to see this get taken out. Near draws that we could look at is the imbalances inside of here. So you can see an imbalance inside of here. So let's say we come in here, right? We took out this liquidity here, came into this area. So if we get something like this, maybe Monday, you know what I mean? And then whatever model that you trade, that's what I would look for inside of here. And then you have imbalance all inside of here to target, and then quick the lows down here. So this would be a quick area to TP, and then take partials, and then down here, which is would be a low resistance liquidity run. Looking at this price action right here, there's not much of a PD array that I will want to buy at, and plus we're hovering around this right here, these lows. So this is relative equal lows to be taken out, and that's what I see with DXY. All right, I don't want to sell. I mean, I don't want to buy if we come around here, or even where we're at right now, and I don't want to sell right now, but I'm more likely to sell than buy, if that makes sense. Okay, let's go to US 30. Okay, so looking at US 30, we came into this up candle. So remember my last video, this is what I went over. Okay, we came into this up candle right here, this bearish order block. We're at a premium price range, okay, and we took out this high right here, okay, and then we had a breakdown, right? So now our range right now is from this high to this low. Okay, we took out buy stops here, we took out sell stops here, we cleared the board from this side and this side. Right now, what we're coming into right now, well, which we're already in, is this imbalance inside of here. So with US30, right? Am I bullish or am I bearish? Right now, I have to be bearish. I can't be bullish right now completely, right? I can't be bullish right now. Now, once we come into where we're at right now, you know, I have to still wait for more data. I know that I don't want to sell inside of here, okay? And I know I really don't want to buy yet, okay? Unless I get more data showing me that structure wants the shift in delivery wants to get back up into here, okay? All right, so let me clear this out real quick to make the chart a little bit cleaner. Okay. So where would I want to sell at? Now, looking at this range, let's see what it did. All right, broke up, broke down, came up here. There's no FEG inside of here. Okay, we broke down, had an aggressive run down. All right, we see that we have a breaker inside of here that we did kind of play in. Let me see. And then we have this order block resting inside of it. To be honest with you guys, I don't want to buy any of these PD arrays right here. I'd rather see them get taken out. Maybe we could come into this imbalance inside of here and maybe rebalance this and then possibly push down. I don't know. I don't have a clear area that I would like to sell at inside of here. I just know that I don't want to really sell in here any of these PD arrays right here. So if we come up above this high, we come and rebalance something, maybe I'll be able to, I will want to sell. So like let's say we come up, take this out here, and then we break down again, then I'll possibly look at maybe possible sells somewhere inside of this array, and then you know, take it down, because right here, this is a BISI. We broke through that and closed through here, so I want to see this whole thing hold right now, because this could be a balanced price range. If we break above and close above any of this right here, I just want to see wicks come in, wick come in, and then close below, and then it'll validate my bearish bias with this swing right here. From this high to this low, we have OTE up here, okay, and we're above 50. So as long as we're above 50, right, I won't want to sell right here. This would be a premium range, so that would be pretty cool to possibly catch some sales at. All right, so that's what I'm paying attention to for US30. My draw right now on price is we're still inside of this BISI, buy side inefficiency, sell side imbalance, and we could come and rebalance the whole thing. Okay, so the end of this is my near draw right now. If I'm still bearish, that's where I want to see price get down into, and then all this that got built up here to be taken out, which would be low resistance liquidity. Okay, and then, you know, we have these lows all down in here, which is a long-term target. All right, but right now I just want to see a complete fill of this. We haven't hit the mean, the consequent encroachment of this fair value gap yet, so we can see what happens once we get to consequent encroachment and wait for more data. But we know that if we sell right here, we're already gonna have some TPs here, and then TPs here, and then some runners down here. All right, so yeah, that'd be cool. Let's do gold. Let's look at gold. All right, so looking at gold on the day, hold on, let's actually clear this up a little bit. Let's clear this up. All right, so looking at gold on the daily, we came from this weekly order block right here, and we had a nice move down. We just took out sell side liquidity here and had an aggressive run up. So what we could do is come up and take out this high right here, right? Because if you look at this range, right, we took out buy side liquidity. Remember what I told you guys, when we run buy side and we run sell side, this is a dealing range that you could work within. All right, so from this high to this low, remember, where's the stops? Okay, where's the stops? Right now the draw, okay, can be to the stops, and then inside of this imbalance right here. Okay, so let's find out where consequent encroachment is of this imbalance, and it could be some reactions inside of there. So what I'm going to look at is OTE, and well, not OTE, this might be OTE from the top of this range to the bottom. Let's see, yeah, this is around OTE too. okay, the consequent encroachment of this fair value gap. So I'm gonna be looking in here for possible sells. Okay, it could completely rebalance and come all the way up to this order block inside of here, but since stops are resting right here and our fair value gap is inside of here, I want to see what price does once we get into this fair value gap. So once we get into here, I'm gonna go into lower time frames and see if my model can present itself inside of here, opportunity to sell. And then we also have this up candle right here. All right, so we can see what happens with gold, and then we possibly sell back down to get to this weekly higher time frame, draw on liquidity. Now if we go to the 4 hour, let's see what's going on in the 4 hour. Right now we're getting some reaction from this up candle right here, okay, but I really don't want to sell inside of here that much. I'm not a big fan of it. You can see when we look inside of here, there is a move right here. So to be honest, it could be a sell, because even though we have liquidity resting up here, we just got to keep this in the back of our mind. It's a high resting right here, and there's a fair value gap right above it. All right, so we have that in mind, but right now I can see a model forming inside of here. All right, so what could happen is we have the stop run right here, we have a breakdown, and then we have this right here. Okay, so we have buy side ran out, and then we have this move down. Where's all the stops at? Okay, break and retest here, here's a move here, it's a little bit of fair value gaps of a SIBI right in here, balanced price range inside of here. So what could happen is price come up into this array. All right, and then we get a nice sell-off. Let's see, 30, yeah, this would be like a 30-minute order block. Could come all the way into this 30-minute order block. I would just like to see it wick into that and then break down and close below this little range right here, and then possibly continue down. There could be a setup. What I would like to see, to be more patient, since I know from that daily range a premium will be above all of this, and this is basically buy side liquidity on a daily time frame. So what would be nice to see is for price to come up into here, could put like a little small risk, see this run inside of here, and then break down, create a fresh order block, and then once it runs up into there, it could be a move on a lower time frame. It's gonna look like a Quasimodo or a supply and demand flip, and then I would get in there and then put my stops right above, and then take this shit down for this low, and then you got some imbalance inside of here. Now the objective right now, right, let's see where the draw, since we're reacting to this, what would be the draw to this current time frame if I'm bearish? Okay, you have some imbalance inside of here, you have this breaker to look at, and then you have this down candle which took out liquidity here with a fair value gap. All right, so this will be the end of where I would take all my profits at right there, and it could be possible buys. Price could come sell off from here, come into here, and then buy back up to take out this daily liquidity to come into this premium of that daily range. Okay, so that's basically what I'm framing my trade off of. Once we get into here, then we can go to the 15-minute and get like scalping, a scalper's entry. You know what I mean, and hold it for like a swing, or you know, you could scalp your way down to that draw where you think the draw is. So we'll see what happens inside of this array. For me, I'm saying that's I'll see what happens. All right. All right, so let's go to EU. We're gonna do EU and GU, and then we'll complete this video. So EU is the same as DXY right now, basically the same thing. We're inside of this daily order block. I want to see what happens inside of here. We're inside of this wick. I don't know if this is gonna hold. You know what I mean? It's very iffy, two-sided. That's what I'm saying. I really just want to stay out for this. I said I really just want to stay out. This is why I want to stay out for right now. You know what I mean? I like to make money when it's a little bit easier for me. You know, other people might see this a lot clearer and they get good setups, but like I said, it's not about other people, it's about you. So you got to focus on you. All right, let's see. Yeah, I don't know if this low is gonna get ran. It could hold. I'm not gonna put too much effort and time into EU, but I would like to see what happens with dollar. If we hold this low, then that'd be cool. If we break it, then you know, it is what it is. I don't know what price is gonna do. I just know that we're at a discount of this range and we're inside of this daily order block. We could take out this low and then have a move back up and then maybe move lower. I don't know. We're just gonna skip through that. I'm not gonna put too much brain power into EU with GU. It looks it looks kind of bearish. It looks like it came up and ran buy side liquidity to get some oomph to take all this out right here, and then maybe come into our daily and weekly draws, right? So that's what I would like to see us do, is take these out. And where would I want to sell? I don't, let's see if I want to sell GU, then DXY really has to come down into a discount first, to be honest. Right now we have this up candle right here, some fair value gaps inside of there, yeah, right above this high right here. I will most likely would like to sell right above this high, maybe come into this array right here. So let's mark this out real quick. I'm not getting all fancy with the markups, because I don't want to take too long with this video, especially since I'm doing it with you guys, and my other video was like an hour long. So I want to kind of shorten this up a little bit. Let me clear this out. And then we can see, let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, so this would be about the complete rebalance of this FEG right inside of here, from this wick to this wick right here. We have a FEG. For you new people that are watching, you're new to Smart Money Concepts, I'm sorry if I'm rushing through this, but don't worry, I will slow down on future videos and be a lot more clean and more detailed on the PD arrays and what I'm looking at when I'm doing my charts. All right, just for you guys, okay? But I know most of you guys are probably you probably already know Smart Money Concepts. You're pretty good with it, so that's good too. But yeah, let's see if we come up to this fair value gap and maybe sell off. Hopefully DXY can come down to a discount by the time this gets into here. Looking at the 4 hour, 1 hour, yeah, same thing. Where it could be a buy is here. Yeah, it's here, because we ran out these lows here. It could be buys inside of this order block. So if DXY does want to sell off, then we could be buyers here, right inside of here, and then we can move up. We have liquidity right here that was resting here, that got ran out, came into here. What I would like to see is my model form inside of here somewhere, maybe at least the mean, because this is a big bulky candle right here. Maybe the mean of this candle, and we could get some movement back up into here. First, this will be our draw next, our next draw, and then these highs here. So oh yeah, especially this right here. Okay, this looks very clean. This didn't really come down into a, what would you say, sell orders like that, you know what I mean? This little price action right here just came to rebalance, and then you had all this right here get built up. So I kind of do want to change my mind. I don't know, bro. I would still sell maybe in this FEG, but I know that we could come up above here and then sell. But if I'm buying, this would be my target here, this fair value gap. It's fair value gap inside of here, but I'm looking at this fair value gap and then above here. All right, and then even above here, because this would potentially become a weak high since we failed to come down and take out this low. All right, but yeah, that's it for the weekly outlook video. I hope this was a very good video for you guys. I know I kind of rushed through it a little bit, but you know, sometimes the quick videos are pretty good. You know, I don't want people falling asleep on me, so go ahead and smash that like button for me. Share if you guys want to. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week and your holidays, and I'll be a little bit active in my Telegram if I see certain trades happening, and I'll post them and, you know, give a little detailed analysis on what happened, and, you know, some good nuggets. So like I was saying, enjoy your week, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.